विशारदा ज्ञानदा वरदा वन्देऽहं शारदा। शुद्ध सत्व स्वरूपिणी स्वच्छ हृदय निवासिनी शुद्ध सत्व स्वरूपिणी स्वच्छ हृदय निवासिनी स्वप्रकाश रूपिणी स्वप्रकाश रूपिणी स्वप्रकाश रूपिणी वन्देऽहं शारदा विशारदा ज्ञानदा वरदा वन्देऽहं शारदा। परा परा विद्या भूषिता परा विद्या भूषिता सुरवर सुतना सेविता शुभदा सुलभा सुस्वर भाग्य निरता वन्देऽहं शारदा विशारदा ज्ञानदा वरदा वन्देऽहं शारदा वन्देऽहं शारदा वन्देऽहं शारदा वन्देऽहं शारदा। Is the audio fine? Can anybody please give me a feedback? So moving on, I will present Ramadasa Kirtana. It is very popularized by the great legend Sri Balamurali Krishna Garu. It's a very meaningful song. At the same time, it has a fun rhythm, so you can also enjoy the beat and the rhythm of the song along with the lyrics. The essence of the song says to Lord Rama that uttering his name itself gives a lot of bliss and also is a path to realization. The Bhakta says this to Lord Rama and sings the song. श्री रामनी नाम में विरुचिरा वो रामनी नाम मिंत रुचिरा श्रीरामनी नाम में रुचिरा वो रामनी नाम में रुचिरा श्रीरामनी नाम में रुचिरा वो रामनी नाम में रुचिरा करिराज प्रह्लाद धरणि जा विभीषणुलु गाचिननी नाम में रुचिरा करिराज प्रह्लाद धरणि जा विभीषणुलु गाचिननी नाम में रुचिरा कदली खजूरादि फलमोन कदिकमु कदली खजूरादि फलमोन कदिकमु पतित पावन नाम में रुचिरा पतित पावन नाम में रुचिरा श्रीरामनी नाम में रुचिरा वो रामनी नाम में रुचिरा श्रीरामनी नाम में रुचिरा वो रामनी नाम में रुचिरा अंजन तनय हृत्कंज दलमुनंदु రంజిల్లు నీ నామమెంత రుచిరా అంజనా తనయ హృత్కంజ దళమునందు రంజిల్లు నీ నామమెంత రుచిరా సదా శివుడు నిన్ను సదా భజించి సదా శివుడు నిన్ను సదా భజించి सदानंद नाम में रुचिरा सदा नंद नाम में रुचिरा श्रीरामनी नाम में रुचिरा वो रामनी नाम में रुचिरा श्रीरामनी नाम में रुचिरा वो रामनी नाम में रुचिरा तुम्बुरु नारदुलुडंबु मीरग गानंबु చేసిన నామమెంత రుచిరా तुम्बुरु नारदुलुडंबु मीरग गानंबु చేసిన నామమెంత రుచిరా అనయా భద్రాచల శ్రీరామదాసుని అనయా భద్రాచల శ్రీరామదాసుని ఏలిన నీ నామమే రుచిరా ఏలిన నీ నామమెంత రుచిరా श्रीरामनी नाम में रुचिरा वो रामनी नाम में रुचिरा श्रीरामनी नाम में रुचिरा वो रामनी नाम में रुचिरा ఎంత రుచిరా ఏమి రుచిరా I would just like to know, is everybody familiar with Carnatic music here or just want to get a perspective?
Familiarity, yes. My son is actually learning Carnatic music. He is also there, joined from Karlsruhe, Prathamesh Pote.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. Nice.
And Pawan's wife is also a Bharatanatyam singer. So there
Oh,
are,
really?
Dancer.
yes, so in this team there are people who really enjoy art and
Okay.
music, dance, both. So some background is there. Of course, as we say in Marathi, you at least have to be a kansen if you're not a tansen. You everybody can't be tansen, but at least have to have an ear for music. I think everybody who
Definitely.
has joined here, they are
Okay.
they are of that. Yeah.
Okay. Very, very happy to know that. Yes. The next song that I will be presenting is a very popular Kannada song. I think almost everybody must be familiar with this. It's Krishna Ni Beginning. It's by the great poet Vyasaraya. So here is my offering for this song. ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಗುರ ಕೊರಳೋಳು ಹಾಕಿದ ಕೊರಳೋಳು ಹಾಕಿದ ವೈಜಯಂತಿ ವೈಜಯಂತಿ ಮಾಲೆ ತಿರುಗಚ್ಚೆ 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 ನೀಲದ ಬಾರೆ ನೀಲವರ್ಣನೆ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಮಾಡು ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣನೇ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣನೇ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣನೇ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣನೇ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ तोरो बेगने बारो मुखबने तोरो कृष्ण बेगने बारो काशी पीतांबर कैयली कोळಲು काशी पीतांबर कैयली कोळಲು मुसीद श्री गंधर मुसीद श्री गंधर कृष्ण ने बेगन बारो 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 कहेंगे बाई जगमने तोरी कहेंगे बाई जगमने तोरी जगदो धारकनम उडुपी श्री कृष्ण जगदो धारकनम उडुपी श्री कृष्ण कृष्ण बेगने बारो कृष्ण बेगने बारो बारो Are there also any Hindi speaking or other languages people here generally? Like,
Yes, there are Hindi speaking, Marathi, Kannada,
okay.
And Bengali.
Bengali as well. Sorry to miss that. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so almost a lot of languages. Okay.
Yes.
I'll sing another very popular bhajan, Garuda Gamana Tava. गरुड गमन तव चरण कमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् गरुड गमन तव चरण कमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम पापमपा कुरु देव मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम पापमपा कुरु देव जल जनयन विधिन मुचिहरण मुख विबुध विनुद पद पद्म जल जनयन विधिन मुचिहरण मुख विबुध विनुद पद पद्म विबुध विनुद पद पद्म मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम पापमपा कुरु देव मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम पापमपा कुरु देव भुजगशयन भव मदन जनकम जनन मरण भयहारि भुजगशयन भव मदन जनक मम जनन मरण भयहारि जनन मरण भयहारि मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम पापमपा कुरु देव शंख चक्रधर दुष्ट दैत्यहर सर्वलोक शरण शंख चक्रधर दुष्ट दैत्यहर सर्वलोक शरण सर्वलोक शरण मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम पापमपा कुरु देव मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम पापमपा कुरु देव अगणित गुणगण शरण शरणद विदलित सुररि पुजाल अगणित गुणगण शरण शरणद विदलित सुररि पुजाल विदलित सुररि पुजाल मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम पापमपा कुरु देव मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम पापमपा कुरु देव भक्तवर्यमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थं भक्तवर्यमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थं पाहि भारती तीर्थं मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम पापमपा कुरु देव मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम पापमपा कुरु देव गरुडगमन तव चरण कमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं गरुडगमन तव चरण कमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं मम तापमपा कुरु देव मम पापमपा कुरु देव 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 moving on, I think we have 20 more minutes, if I'm not wrong. So I'll present a few Kabir songs. The first one is Neharva, and this is Kailash Kherji's version. This song has also again a very beautiful meaning, especially the second stanza where the essence of the song says, "Bin Sadguru aapnu nahi koi, ho yah raah batave." So everybody in our lives have a guru who always shows us a path, and sometimes the path is shown by the guru, which we might also not know that that was the needed path for oneself. So such is the place of a guru in one's life, and this song is completely has that essence and gives the meaning. हरवा हमको न भावे, हमको न भावे, मेहरवा 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 हमको न भावे, हमको न भावे, मेहरवा 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 साईं की नगरी, साईं की नगरी परम अति सुंदर, अति सुंदर, साईं की नगरी परम अति सुंदर, अति सुंदर, जहाँ कोई जाए न आवे, हाँ जहाँ कोई जाए न आवे, चांद सूरज जहाँ, चांद सूरज जहाँ, पवन न पानी, पवन न पानी, को संदेश पहुँचावे, हाँ को संदेश पहुँचावे, दर्द यहाँ, दर्द यहाँ, दर्द यहाँ, साईं को सुनावे, मेहरवा 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 हमको न भावे, हमको न भावे, मेहरवा 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 बिन सद्गुरु अपनो नहीं कोई, अपनो नहीं कोई, बिन सद्गुरु अपनो नहीं कोई, अपनो नहीं कोई, कोया राह बतावे, हाँ खोया राह बतावे, कहत कबीरा, कहत कबीरा, सुनो भाई साधो, सुनो भाई साधो, सपने में प्रीतम आवे, हाँ सपने में प्रीतम आवे, तपन यहाँ, तपन यहाँ, तपन यहाँ, जिया के बुझावे मेहरवा 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 हम कौन भावे हम कौन भावे मेहरवा 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 I'll sing a couple of more songs and then end it. Next song is a very, very vibrant song, and it has a beautiful meaning, like every other song which I tried to choose today because of the atmosphere that we have here. Even though it is over an online session, it still feels very nice to connect with people who would like to listen to such kind of music. Next song is Nirbhay Nirgun, and Nirbhay Nirgun Gunire Gao. निर्भय निरगुण गुण रे गाऊंगा गाऊंगा निर्भय निरगुण निर्भय निरगुण गुण रे गाऊंगा गाऊंगा निर्भय निरगुण मोर कमल धड़ आषाढ़ बांधुरी मोर कमल धड़ आषाढ़ बांधुरी मोर कमल धड़ आषाढ़ बांधुरी उलटी पवन चढ़ाऊंगा चढ़ाऊंगा निराभाय निरागुण गुण रे गाऊंगा गाऊंगा निर्भय। मन ममता को हो मन ममता को तिरकार लाओ जी मन ममता को हो मन ममता को तिरकार लाओ जी पांच तत्व मिलाऊंगा मिलाऊंगा निराभाय निरागुण गुण रे गाऊंगा गाऊंगा निर्भय निरागुण। पांच पच्चीसो हो, पांच पच्चीसो पकड़ मंगाओ जी, पांच पच्चीसो पकड़ मंगाओ जी, एक ही डोर लगाऊंगा, लगाऊंगा निराभार निरागुण गुण रे गाऊंगा, गाऊंगा निर्भय निरागुण। पिंगला पिंगला सुख मन नाड़ी, जिंगला पिंगला सुख मन नाड़ी जी, फिर वेणी नहाऊंगा, नहाऊंगा निराभार निरागुण गुण रे गाऊंगा, गाऊंगा निर्भय निरागुण। कहत कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो जी, कहत कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो जी, कहत कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो जी, जीत निशान बुलाऊंगा, बुलाऊंगा निराधार निरागुण गुण रे गाऊंगा, गाऊंगा निर्भय निरागुण, निर्भय निरागुण, निर्भय निरागुण। I think we are done with the time.
We have time. Still have
Okay.
go for probably one more song. We are
Okay.
very interested.
Okay, sure.
More than time, we have a lot of enthusiasm now. This is really amazing.
Thank you so much. I forgot to mention Nirbhay Nirgun, the song that I sang was Kumar Gandharji's version, and he is one among the very legendary musicians who has popularized Kabir songs and has brought the meaning of Kabirji through his music to a lot of common people and also to the younger generation who can relate to the music, and then through that music they understand the meaning of the song. So it is a really our blessing to also have Kumar Gandharji giving us so many beautiful songs. I would like to end with probably a soft song. This is by Royal Fakir, the poet, and this is called Lena Hue So. Lena Hue So Lije Mara Bhai Dhare. I'm not very sure what language this is. If I'm not wrong, I think somewhere close to Marwadi, but I'm not 100% sure. So the poet here says that we have got one life as human beings, and this is the time we realize this and take this beautiful opportunity and he compares the birth of this human life as an opportunity, this opportunity equal to that of Hire Moti, that it's just a life that you can realize only now and enjoy it, and use this life as a human being to evolve and know the spiritual growth one can have in one's lifetime. It has a very deep meaning. So here it goes. This is one of my very personal favorite songs as well. लेना हुए सो लेना हुए सो लीजे भार भय ढारे लेना हुए सो लीजे भार भय ढारे अब आए केलवन केलो बेला रे साधु मन को जन्म हीरो हाथ नावे लेना हुए सो लीजे भार भय ढारे अब आए केलवन केलो बेला रे साधु मन को जन्म हीरो हाथ नावे रे लेना हुए सो शामे जटा सिर श्वेत भई है रे शामे जटा सिर श्वेत भई है रे तन आज लाजागे साधो तेरी आज के नार करने सो फिर यारे लेना हुए सो हंसा हुए तू हंस गति हाले रे हंसा हुए तू हंस गति हाले रे साध हुए भारे घट अजियारा रे मैं तो अकेले खेला माही खेले रे लेना हुए सो लीजे भार भय ढारे कृपा भई सो कृपा भई जग सौदा रचिया रे अब भाव भगत की सो प्यासी रे साधु रोयल रतन मोलक पायो जे आवे रे ज्ञान कथेला घट नहीं रहता रे अब बिन तोरे नील कैसा ज्ञान रे साधु फिर और सो पूछो नाना जो कहियो रे लेना हुए सु निज भार भय ढारे अब आए केले वन केलो बेला रे साधु मण को जन्म हीरो हाथ नावे रे मण को जन्म हीरो हाथ नावे रे लेना हुए सो
Wonderful. Beyond words, Shubhaniji. It is beyond vocabulary. It's wonderful performance.
Thank you so much.
We really have no words to say.
Thank you all for listening.
Actually, the choice of songs was so beautiful. Each one of them, I do not understand Telugu, but the first song that you sang about Lord Rama was so. Actually, I could understand it, without understanding the language. Probably it was simple, but the rendition was so beautiful. I'm sure I'm going to ask for a recording, to Pawan to send it to me so that I can listen to it again.
Sure.
The second one was for me as a Kannadiga. I think it's one of the most famous. Krishnani Begane Vara was very, very beautiful. And then, let me tell you, I am also big fan of Kabir bhajans. Right from Kumar Gandharvaji and then to the present Kailash Kher, as you rightly mentioned, and also Kabir Cafe, not to forget them. They have really done a great service in this direction. We can also call it fusion, may not be completely, but nonetheless, they have brought it back to life.
Yes.
Let me tell you, I was, you had closed your eyes, probably you didn't see, but I was literally dancing when you were singing Nai Harava. It is one of my personal favorites.
Oh, really?
Our satsangs, in my own amateurish, immature voice, I have sung it. I am not a trained classical singer, but I love it so much. And though it is very old Hindi, I can by heart I can really sing it. So it was so beautiful. And when I first heard this song, it was not from Kailash Kher. Actually, by this singer from Sounds of Isha. I don't even know. The face comes to my my mind, but I don't know the name, unfortunately. But what heavenly voice! It was amazing. Maybe if you know, you can tell me. I'll be very thankful.
Yeah, like now that you have mentioned, I've been associated with Isha for the last 10 years. And the last song that I've sung is a version of Sounds of Isha, Lena Huesu. So So I think you're referring to Ma Janani. She is one of the brahmacharis who's from Isha Foundation. So I think you might have heard her version.
Yes, and only a part of it is available on the YouTube.
Right,
I'm-
right, right.
Yeah, and I don't have the complete version, but I would love to have it someday. It is because it is so, I mean, it is, in my opinion, one of the best renditions that
Yes.
there are other people who have sung it. In fact, I mean, all of them have their own amazing flavors. From Art of Living, Vikram Hazraji has beautifully sung it. Then Swami Nitya Prajnaji, he sings very, very beautifully. And it is not only me here who is a fan of Kabir Das. My son, he also he has in our satsangs sung Moko Kahan Dhunde Re Bande. That is one of his favorite. So there is a huge fan following of Kabir ji, and
Okay. That's
three of
really nice to know.
three of your songs were there. I mean, we really, really enjoyed it so much, Shivani ji.
Thank you so much.
Thanks to you. It was really a feast for a connoisseur of music. And as I begin in the beginning, as I said, it was a deeply enriching spiritual experience. We are so thankful, and I'm sure our other audience, they will want to add something. So I just leave it to them.
Thank you. My pleasure.
I've unmuted everybody. If anybody wants to say anything to Shivani-ji.
Yeah, so hi, I'm Tathagata, and I don't know much about music and its technical details, but it's actually pleasing to ears. It's a soothing experience, like coming down the mind and listening to these things.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
great. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Hello?
Yes.
Once again. Wonderful,
Yeah,
wonderful.
could I share my experience?
Yes.
The watch was really, the was really beautiful. I loved it.
Thank you so much.
I'm a
You're not audible.
I'm also singing Karnataka music. Please bless me. I can also sing like
Best wishes, my best wishes. Thank you.
that. I can also sing with you.
Sorry? Keep learning and all the
Hmm?
best.
I think
सुबह का है देखिए मुझे
wonderful, Shivani-ji. It was a very, very.
yeah, I cooked that automatic झाला.
Actually, I think we should actually plan one more session, because today I'm missing my co-teachers of Art of Living, Abhijit ji and Kaveshri ji, because they are the ones who actually set this whole plan in action. Once the lockdown came, people were going through, or now it has reduced a lot, but in the initial stages, I believe it was a lot of shock for everybody around the world. And this, we saw it as one of the opportunities to uplift the energy, to reduce stress and uplift. And it has helped in such amazing ways. We normally have a much bigger audience, and I feel sorry for my own team that they missed the live performance. And of course, Pawan will send the recording. They will listen to it. But we should actually have one more, I believe. And as I said, Abhijit and Kavya, they are in silence today. They are in a silence program for the next 4 days, starting today. They will not attend. but they would have loved it. And both of them are, Abhijit himself is a musician. He plays the guitar. Kavesh, she is also a wonderful singer.
Mhm.
So we should, I think, again meet.
Sure.
I'm so thankful that you took out time for us.
My pleasure. It's really my pleasure.
I really enjoyed it. We all enjoyed it. So please,
Thank you.
again, we must plan to meet. Pawan, we should
Sure.
arrange.
Definitely.
And I would like to say, it is, we have had artists from so many backgrounds, varied backgrounds coming and, uh, performing and really enriching our experience here. And music is something that really cuts across so many boundaries,
Right.
whatever they be. So many boundaries it cuts across, and also for that reason we should again have one more confluence of such wonderful performers. We will plan for such things. Yeah.
Sure. Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Okay.
Once again, Shivani, then
Thank you so much.
Raghvendra ji. So I don't have any more words beyond what he put it. Put it in wonderful words.
Yeah.
Good. All right, then we wish you all a nice evening and a
Yes.
nice weekend as well.
Yeah. I wish the same for everyone too.
Jai
Thank you.
Gurudev.
Jai
Good night.
Gurudev. Bye bye.
Bye.